Hi, welcome to episode 3 of Building a Football Club with Shimla FC. So it's been a long time that we haven't put out some kind of episode. There are a lot of updates that we have to give you that have progressed. So number one thing that we have done is we've started with our project of DPL, that is Devghammu Premier League, where we will be organizing tournaments in and around Shimla and Himachal Pradesh. This is true because we haven't had any good quality tournaments. We want to have good quality tournaments not only in Shimla but Himachal in general. So this is because we want to have a tournament where we can provide the platform, much needed platform and much needed game time to these players, not only from our club and our academy but also from other states and other districts as well and other clubs as well. And secondly, we've also been running our academy really well. We have around in total we have around 200-300 regular students that come on a monthly basis. Partnerships with the schools is also going well, and then we've had senior tournaments where our senior team has finished runners up in a couple of tournaments. So in the previous month, the under 13 and under 14 kids also went to Rising Star Football Academy, that is in Mandi. Mr. Harish Sharma is the owner of that academy. Very well run academy, and people there are nice as well. So although the under 14 couldn't manage to have a ranking in the tournament, but our under 13 did really well in the tournaments. Also, we initially were taking orders for our first team home jersey. Now we are designing our away team jerseys. Although we've got a lot of concept jerseys and a lot of designs made by our fans and our academy players. In the coming 2 to 3 days, we will be trying to finalize about how we can actually do this, and we will be finalizing our jersey design. Also, we have renewed our club license with Himachal Pradesh Football Association for the coming 2 years. This means that we would be interested and we will be willing to play all the tournaments that Himachal Pradesh Football Association will be conducting. That means Himachal League, all the youth leagues, futsal league. Depending on the availability of our players and coaches, we will be playing all the tournaments that HPFA, our state association, will be organizing. Previously, we were facing problems because we would be training a player for 2-3 years, and after he turns 18, when his school days are over, when he's done with his boards exams, usually in Shimla the players and the students go out, especially to Chandigarh, for their further studies, for their colleges and universities. So we had no control and we could not train these kids. So for that reason, and also to expand, we are also starting our academy and are also starting our senior team in Chandigarh. So from the starting of September, most probably, we will have training started for our senior team, and also the players who would be interested for any individual or group sessions would also be taken care of. Hopefully from now on we would be more regular with our series, and we will be publishing these videos more consistently. So for that reason, please subscribe, like the video, and also share with all the football enthusiasts, so that we can share our journey to more people, and we would need your support for that. And for that reason, let's come together and support Indian football, and let's support Indian football players.